Hey there, my name is Matthew Gibson and welcome back to another episode of Fusion 360 tutorials. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about camera control and just how to work the interface of Fusion 360. Because up to this point, I've gone over sketching and I've gone over extruding, but it can get pretty complicated as you see from where we left off last time. There's all these different lines and shapes everywhere, and if you just come back to a project after a week or after some time off, it'll be really difficult to tell what's going on. And so what you can do is with camera control you can better orient yourself. And so a one that I like to use a lot because I'm feeling lazy for whatever reason, if I wanted to look at a specific view, you see how the little cube up here, I call it the directional cube, will highlight itself here. You can click on one, it'll automatically orient the workspace you're in or the sketch to that position. And now these arrows rotate it, and these ones rotate it along the axis as well. So same thing here, simple rotations up and down, left, right, the normal stuff. And you end up with an opposite view of what you had before. But something else to note is that it's not just rigid this way, right, left, up, down. You can look at a corner, or you can look at an edge. You know, there's a bunch of different views. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 per, technically 9. There's a lot of views. My point is there's a lot of views that you can use here. And so there's a lot of ways that you can just jump right to what you want to look at and get to work. And so what I'm actually going to do is, if this isn't cutting it for you, or you just wanted to quickly change the view slightly to look at it, like it's still kind of hard to tell what's going on here through any of the views, you know, because it's like, oh, straight line, well, that's what's going on here, and then what's going on down there. You know, you can actually just use your mouse and keyboard if you have it, or a trackpad, to actually orient yourself in a way that you want to. So if you have a mouse and you click the middle mouse button, you can actually rotate your screen around, and it does shift slightly, but it tries to pick, see that green dot? It likes to pick a center axis of rotation and rotate you around that. And if you're going, well, what if I'm trying to see something that's over here or something that's over here? Like, we'll quickly draw a line over there. Over there. Okay, and then if we went, oh well, how do I see what's going on over there? What you can do is actually, if you hit shift, well, first things first, you can hit shift to zoom out to see just what you're looking at and how far away it is and whatnot. Shift scroll wheel up and down, that is, helps you zoom in and zoom out. But if you control shift and scroll wheel, you can actually just slide it along a plane or slide it away in front of you without turning it. So if what you needed to do was move it or something like that, and that's generally how you can work around in the Fusion workspace, just kind of from a camera control standpoint. So yeah, and just to kind of wrap up, if you don't really have access to a good keyboard or don't have the control or command buttons, whatever, you can still use these hotkeys to essentially do that for you. So you don't have to hold the buttons down or whatnot. So you can just you just click this button here. You can use the orbit function. You can do the look at function to look at a specific block or something like that. The pan button helps you do the same thing. You can just slide it around. Magnifying glass, same deal. It's kind of rudimentary stuff, but it's important to know, because if you're trying to stumble through a project in Fusion, you don't even know how to look at it or how to help yourself see it better, then good luck. But that's it for today, I think, and thanks for tuning in. My name is Matthew, and I'll see you guys next time.